New iOS updates often bring new features and bug fixes, but they can also cause unexpected issues. In this video, we'll cover the most common iPhone update problems and their possible solutions. Part 1. How to troubleshoot iPhone update issues. 20 common cases and fixes. Case 1. iOS 27.26 update refuses to show on iPhone. Case 2. See iOS 27 beta instead of final release. Case 3. iPhone doesn't support the latest iOS update. Case 4. There isn't enough storage space on iDevice. Case 5. iOS 27.26 update takes long to download. Case 6. Can't install iOS update. Case 7. Phone cannot reach update server. Case 8. iPhone fails to update. Case 9. Phone freezes during update. Case 10. Phone stuck at the Apple logo screen. Case 11. Wi-Fi problems with iOS 27.26. Case 12. Bluetooth problems with iOS 27.26. Case 13. Cellular is grayed out and calls drop. Case 14. Battery drains faster after iOS 27.26 update. Case 15. Apps crash after iPhone or iOS update. Case 16. Phone is overheating. Case 17. iPhone camera isn't working. Case 18. iPhone runs slower. Case 19. iPhone screen goes black. Case 20. Other miscellaneous iOS 27.26 issues. Part 2. How to fix various iPhone or iOS update issues professionally. Highly recommended. iPhone update issues can be frustrating when new bugs appear after an update. iOS System Recovery helps fix system problems and supports iOS upgrade or downgrade, handling over 50 common issues. Learn how to use iOS System Recovery to fix iOS issues before or after updating an iPhone. Step 1. Download and install this iOS or iPhone repair tool on a computer. Then run the program and choose More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to the same computer with a USB cable and tap on Start. Step 3. When this tool detects your device info, check it and click Repair to commence. Here, pick the right information and press Repair if the detected one isn't correct. After the automatic repair, reboot your iPhone.